Okay, let's come over and look at the European markets next. And so this is the FTSE. I think we've got all of the wave one in, and we should be in this two back here to between 72.97 and 73.84, with the 618 being at 73.45. The moment while we're around this region we're in, there is a possibility that the top I've got is an extended third and we get a 4-5. Not convinced that that's got any merit to it really. I can count a 5-wave move down to this morning's low for a potential A wave. We get a B, C next week, and if we do come into this region, that's your swing long entry. Now German DAX is starting to be of concern. It's come lower than I would have wanted for this 4. I can count this a slightly different way, where within this diagonal here, the top of the 3 can be the 1, in which case this is a 4 of 1 higher degree. It's still not ideal, but I want to see it hold here and push up next. Going to give it the benefit of the doubt for now, but still looking for the rest of this A wave to play out ideally.